Welcome to Harmony Spaces, your ultimate destination for stunning home design ideas, from cozy interiors to breathtaking exteriors. If you're dreaming of a more beautiful and functional living space, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a dreamy outdoor concept that blends timeless charm with sun-soaked tranquility: rustic and Mediterranean small gardens. These styles are perfect for compact outdoor areas, transforming even the tiniest courtyard or balcony into a serene escape. Whether you're working with a small patio, a narrow garden path, or even just a balcony, this video is packed with practical ideas, fresh inspiration, and style tips you can use right away. The rustic aesthetic is all about weathered textures, natural materials, and cozy imperfections, while the Mediterranean style evokes warm, coastal vibes with earthy colors, terracotta, and aromatic herbs. Together, they create a harmonious blend that feels both grounded and relaxing, the ultimate outdoor retreat. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's bring soulful charm to your small garden space. Use gravel, reclaimed bricks, or natural stone to create organic lines instead of sharp angles. In rustic design, irregularity is embraced. Let the edges be slightly uneven, it adds character. If you don't have much floor space, go vertical. Use trellises, wall planters, or climbing plants like jasmine or bougainvillea to add height. Add a focal point too, like a rustic bench, an old urn, or a small fountain, to create a cozy center for your garden. Segment 2: Materials and Textures. For a rustic garden, go for raw and natural textures. Think weathered wood, rusted metal, terracotta pots, and stone walls. The Mediterranean style uses sun-washed elements like terracotta tiles, limestone, mosaics, and warm stucco walls. Want to mix both styles? Try pairing rustic wood with Mediterranean touches. For example, a wooden pergola with colorful tiles on a table or planter looks beautiful. Don't forget textiles. Add outdoor cushions in warm colors like ochre, burnt orange, olive green, and beige. A jute rug or faded Turkish runner can complete the look. For furniture, choose vintage iron chairs, old wooden stools, or built-in benches, pieces that feel handmade and timeless. Segment 3. Plant selection and garden life. Let's add some green to the space. Plants are the heart of any garden, and this is where you can bring in both rustic and Mediterranean vibes. Start with the basics: olive trees, rosemary, lavender, and small citrus trees. These Mediterranean plants do well in pots and don't need much water. Mix in some rustic choices like ornamental grasses, thyme, and hardy succulents. Use terracotta or stone pots in different heights to make the area look more interesting. You can also reuse old watering cans, wooden crates, or metal buckets as planters for a charming, vintage touch. Don't forget the herbs. Basil, oregano, and sage not only smell amazing and are great for cooking, but they also give the space a cozy, lived-in feel. To make your garden more lively, plant some flowers like marigolds, salvia, or echinacea. These attract bees and butterflies, adding a gentle, natural movement to your outdoor space. Segment 4. Finishing touches and lighting the mood. A small garden feels magical when it's full of personality and charm. Try hanging string lights or lanterns. They bring warmth and a cozy feeling, especially at night. For a Mediterranean vibe, go for Moroccan-style lanterns or solar lights along the path. Add gentle sounds too, like a small fountain or wooden wind chimes. You can also use a linen canopy or bamboo screen to add some shade and softness. Don't forget to include personal touches, maybe a vintage watering can, some hand-painted pots, or a book left on the table. These little things make your garden feel like part of your home, a peaceful spot to relax, recharge, and feel at ease. Thanks for spending time with us at Harmony Spaces. If you found inspiration today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow garden lovers. Which element from today's video are you most excited to try? The warm textures, the herbs, or maybe a cozy reading nook? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more garden and interior ideas with mindful design, check out our other videos. Until next time, may your small garden bring you big peace.